Right, yeah, as I said, another video. Now, we tend to go, when I say we, my mate and myself, not at the same time because we're not in the same country, but we do tend to visit, whenever we can, flea markets, boot sales, junk sales, anywhere where you can pick up any unusual item, particularly in the lamp line. Well, anyhow, yesterday we had the first one of the year at my local boot sale. Not an enormous one, but not bad. Normal stuff, unfortunately, clothes and shoes and stuff like that, which does not interest me in the least. But on this occasion there was a gentleman from China selling quite a few odds and ends. Unfortunately only one, and one of the things he was selling was this lamp. I'd never seen one like it before. It was in a box, and I looked at the box and thought, oh, what's in there? Is that a glass or something? And he says, a lamp. I said, ah, how much is it? £1. I said, yeah, it's an unusual one, isn't it? Looking at the construction. Mind you, I got the pound out pretty quick. I said, any chance of another one? And there wasn't. So, this lamp's going to be mine. Sorry, had there been two, you know who would have had the other one, but there wasn't. Now, this is the actual lamp. Now, dare I say it, it's LED, light emitting diode. In fact, it's many light emitting diodes. And looking at it, it's beautifully made. I couldn't have made it like that. All right, I've done soldering many times, but the soldering of this is superb. Look at the way it's made. I would think factory assembled. That soldering wouldn't have been by hand. It's too neat. And there's obviously 3 ranks of soldering. You've got the bottom one, which you can't see the other side. I would imagine this would have gone through resistors, capacitors to bring the voltage down. In the cap there's no room for a transformer, I wouldn't have thought. It's on 220 volts, so it's it gives you an idea that it's for our voltage. And the envelope they use is, as you can see, the typical type of envelope for these reproduction lamps. They have that sort of bulge on the end. It's to make out it's a pip, obviously not a pip. They use the same envelopes, and how they get this in I do not know, because when you look at this part at the bottom and that part, I just don't know how they do it, but they do. Anyway, I picked this up and I thought, oh, he did say hang on, we might have another one, but I hung on there wasn't another one coming, so this one's mine. I did have a look on eBay, and there's one of these sold by an American, and they wanted about over £20. I couldn't believe it. Plus whatever the postage was. So you would have ended up paying a lot of money to get one of these. And there again, the American ones would be 110 volts. So yeah, these are unusual. Well, as far as I'm concerned, they're unusual. Well made. No name on them. The base just shows you the voltage and the words LED. So you can bet your life these are virtually run free. They're going to be quite cheap to run. You can see, as I was quite amazed. Anyway, I'll show you it a light, see what you think. And you can turn my rheostat variac down. Although it's our voltage, it's okay, but I tend not to put stuff on full voltage straight away. Sorry, I can't emphasise that enough. And I'm in an emphasising mood at the moment. There's the lamp. Now let's turn that off. We'll wind the variac up slowly. There, it's just lighting now. And that is at about 70 volts. So these appear to be dimmable, if you like. Bringing this up to the, not quite the full voltage. I'm pretty sure every diode's working. There's always a thought that one of the diodes may not be working, and that was why it was sold cheap, but these, as far as I can see, they all look workers. There we are. That's as high as I'm going to wind it up. Give you a show on the next one. I'll bring it down again. An LED light, so it's a Novelty, and obviously no heat, completely cold. We'll turn it off. And as I say, any questions I'll try and give you an answer for if I can. I would imagine all the parts are in, well, I'd say in parallel, I would imagine, but they I don't know, they might be in series. Then it works, and each single LED lights up. Just check those bottom ones again. Didn't really look at those last time. I think they're all come, yeah. Yeah, they're all coming alight, so yeah, it's a good one. So there we are. LED Novelty lamp. You wouldn't use it for general lighting. Well, I don't think you would. Could use it as a night light. But there we are. And say, give it the hand treatment. There it is across my hand. So anyhow, once again, thanks. I might try and put another video up, but those two will certainly be two good starters for the day. Anyhow, once again, many thanks. As I say, I'm starting to feel a bit better now. As I said before, I don't know, I just was really not happy. I suppose it happens. That's how it goes. Anyhow, thanks again for watching. Thank you.